And today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to replace your thumbsticks if they get worn out. Now guys, before you want to start, you want to make sure you got everything. Like your thumbsticks, you gotta have 2 of those. If you don't, then it's gonna look awful weird. First thing first, place it here. We see all of these screws. You need to take them out. And if your controller's like that, something like that on the back, you may have to apply force. And don't be like them people that throws it. Don't do that, folks. Hopefully, didn't break it. Now, undo that part. You want to do the battery as well. Like I said, don't break it. No, and I almost broke it. The battery's out. Okay. So you have a screw right here with it. Don't lose your screwdriver. Because if you do, you're kind of fucked. Okay, so this part should all pop out. And you should be able to get it out. Don't break it, like I said, don't do that, folks. And don't get shocked either. Let's see here. Okay, so let's the little shell, whatever them things called. Oh, you could just do it like that. But then you have to find, you should just pop out. If you don't, yeah, you should just be able to pop these out and then replace them. I'll be back. So guys, they do pop out. Just take them out. You may need to use a little force. Don't, like I said, don't break the controller. Or else you're gonna be, have to go buy a new one. Then, let's just go ahead and put the new ones on. You hear that clicking sound? Then just put this one, line it up, and then just line it up. They may move on you. You may have found the sweet spot on you. Or just watch me fail miserably. Ooh. And then what you want to do is reassemble. Yeah, you want to just reassemble everything. So like this, you want to reassemble. You want to put this on your coil building kit and replace these little pieces on here. On wherever they go at. I'm guessing anywhere. Guessing anyway, really. Like I said, don't break them, because if you do, then you're kind of on your own. You wouldn't be able to play ps4 or anything. You may have a little debris in your controller, but not to worry. I found that part. Now, just redo all these. Make sure you don't lose the battery, guys, or that will be really horrible. So put this right here, like normal. And then what you want to do, put the battery back in. Make sure this little piece is in all the way. Set the battery on its little chassis. Then take this piece. This piece goes last. This piece. I'm gonna take and hold it gentle. You don't want to break it. Then let there's a little slot right in there that you want this piece. You may have to take this piece off for a sec. Line it up with that. Because if you can't use the touchpad, you kind of ain't gonna make it that far. Watch me fail miserably on this part. Or just take it like this. And take and hold it like this. And then you should be able to get it in that little hole. What you may have to do is yeah, guys, it's actually gonna be a lot easier. You take a battery out, then find a way to take this piece out. Oh, yeah, do that. To expose the motherboard, make sure this piece goes out. I think I figured it out. So I think you want to take and do this part first. Take and leave the, I'm gonna call it cup, off. Then take and what you want to do, take and put this on. First, like so. Make sure there's no wires attached. like so. Then what you want to do, put this on next. Yes, that's how. Then put this in here. It clicks. There we go. Like that. Then you want to put this black thing on. You want to match these little plastic pieces, like so. That will work a lot better. Then you want to put your battery in, like so, like I'm telling ya. Put that in. And then what you want to do, this part, which I would say, why does my life have to be so hard? Even repairing the fucking controller. You probably will never see me doing this to a PS4 controller ever again. Okay, so after that gets on there, make sure not to bend anything, because I know the wire looks tempting. Then take a wire in there, like so. You want to close it all together. So let's see here. Close. Make sure the triggers work. You're fucking kidding me. Make sure the fucking triggers works. Oh, come on. You really make me do this. Put that aside. Make sure they have to take these out. To get them on here. Okay, so let's see here. That was this one. So you want to do this. That was actually this one. Where's my life? I'd be so hard. I finally got that annoying part done. So, Now, what you want to do is you want to put this. You see this part? You want to put that back in this little hole section. Make sure not to break. Then you want to take and do this. Make sure you got them parts. Then you want to take and snap it together. Make sure everything. We got the light. Now, you want to screw these screws back. You may have to use a little force, like that, at the very end. Well, shoot. You don't want to do that yet, folks. Because we forgot one part. And it's going to import the part. If you don't do it, then you kind of going to be a little screwed. Now it's another time taking this thing apart. Okay, so we can just do this. We forgot to take and put that screw. Screw it in. Like so on. After you get done there, you can now put your freshly ps4 controller back together. Make sure then you can finally screw in all these screws. And guys, don't excuse the area where I'm walking on. Then screw these. We have a freshly new ps4 controller that you can use anywhere. Don't let them get like that. All the rub padding. So there you have it. You got your new Lee controller that you just put a new thumbsticks on. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe by helping me out, and like the video, and tell your friends.